Good morning, guys. I'd like to read you from the Study Bible, James 1, verses 5 to 8. If any of you lacks wisdom, he should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to him. But he who asks, he must believe and not doubt, because he who doubts is like a wave of the sea, blown and tossed by the wind. That man should not think he will receive anything from the Lord. He is double-minded, unstable in what he does. Just ask the Lord, and he will supply. And believe that he will supply, because he will supply. Have a blessed day, guys. Cheers for now.